Hi friends, Shelly here with Smooth Winds Travel, taking you along on a walkthrough of the Pop Century Resort. Here we are at the front entry of Pop Century Resort. As you come in, you see all the different decades throughout this awesome vintage golf cart here. You can see Bell Services is right there, so if you arrive early and your room is not ready, or even before on your checkout day and you're needing to check out but your flight's not till late, you can leave your luggage there at Bell Services. Here is some time guides, some things going on in the resort. Just a great fun entry. And along this wall here you have all of those different decades and memorabilia in the frames. Just really fun to go back and kind of remember your childhood. Everything Pop is the retail shopping area of Pop Century, and as you walk through, you move into the quick service dining location. Some great exclusive Pop Century merchandise here. Great record ears that you can only find here at Pop Century, as well as the shirts. Now, one of the great tips I have to share for your quick service dining here at Pop is don't forget to mobile order. Sometimes early in the mornings, late in the evenings, the lines can get long. I love to be in my room, get my order done, and as I'm walking towards everything Pop for my food, I go ahead and click on the app and say, I'm here, start making my food. So don't forget. Also, one of the great things at all resorts throughout all of the Disney parks are the great souvenirs of the pressed pennies. Headed outside, we've got the Hippy Dippy Pool. The Petals bar attached to the pool. There's also some snacks you can get here. And then don't forget, one of the great things to do is check out the guide by the pool for the different activities that happen throughout the day here. They could do trivia, charades, all kinds of games for the kids at the pool. They also do some great activities throughout the week or day with dyeing, t-shirts, sand art, all kinds of great different things. So here is a sample of that. And then don't forget, in the evenings, there is always movies under the stars. Headed over to the 70s section of Pop Century. With most Disney resorts, there is always considered a standard and preferred section of the resorts. At Pop, the 50s, 60s, and 70s are considered the preferred. That means they are closer to dining and transportation. Here is a quick little view of the fire pit. So in the evenings, you can usually roast s'mores, or roast marshmallows and make some s'mores. So here is a quick overview of the resort. So as you can see, the 50s, 60s, and 70s is considered preferred. The 80s and 90s is considered standard. So the standards are going to be a little further away. Here again is a little view of the 60s, right surrounding the Hippy Dippy Pool. One of the fun things to do with resorts like this that are open entry is to decorate the windows. This is really fun, and here is a quick step kind of inside to see what a room looks like. Has 2 queen beds, one being a Murphy bed, and this resort was recently refurbished. So as we head over towards the Skyliner, you can see some of the fun decoration, the ways the stairs are decorated of each little section. There are also elevators in each section, so don't worry, you don't always have to take the stairs. There are elevators available. So the Skyliner at Pop Century is shared with its neighbor across the pond, Art of Animation. So the Skyliner will take you over to Caribbean Beach Resort in Riviera, as well as Hollywood Studios and Epcot. That is the only way to get to those parks is via Skyliner. Unless that is down, then you will have the bus available to take you over to Hollywood and Epcot. But great way to just have some fun even with the kids on a day off. Just take a little ride on the Skyliner. As you can see, I'm kind of zooming in on Art of Animation, and directly across is the Little Nemo suites. There are also, I should say, the Cars suites and the Lion King suites. Those all sleep 6 if it's something you're interested in there. And then way off in the distance is what they consider their standard, which is kind of like Pop, the Little Mermaid rooms. Those, again, just sleep 4 with 2 queen beds. Very similar to Pop, but further out. A quick note that all Disney resorts also have laundry service that you can. Thanks so much for walking around Pop Century Resort with me. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share this video so you never miss out.